Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be answering all the questions. Well, I'm gonna try to answer all the questions that some of you guys have already asked me. Let's just put this properly. That some of you guys have already asked me on Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna be answering the questions. Let's see. Also guys, I'm cooking. It's quite late actually. Actually no, it's only 9:44, so it's not that late. But yeah, I'm cooking, making dinner for myself because I'm starving. Very first question. Let me show you guys. Why is it everyday Lagos chili and Maggi? I know he's asking this question. I know. It's not everyday Lagos chili and Maggi, but Lagos chili pepper is actually really spicy, and I feel like it's a good substitute for like Scotch bonnet, as I really know. So yeah, and it's not that expensive as well. And also Maggi is just really nice in your soups and whatever you're cooking to make it tasty. If you guys can hear that I'm frying fish, so just don't mind me. Next question is, are you a dog person or a cat person? Actually, I'm a no animal person. Yeah, no pets, nothing. You wouldn't see me like with an animal saying, oh, it's so cute, or like petting the elbow of a dog or something. No. I'm even scared of dogs, so why would I be doing that? So yeah. Next question is, let me check my fish. The next question is, what are you like in person? In person, I feel like I'm different for everybody. Well, for most people that I'm close with, I am just vibes. Along good vibes. They need to go bass boss, but yeah, but people that I'm just getting to know, I'm kind of like shy and like reserved. But yeah, but like if I know you properly, I won't tell me my parties. They know that. They know I'm good vibes, honestly. But I'm actually a nice person. Generally, I'm a nice person. So, next question is, what are you scared of? I think I already said I'm scared of dogs. That's one thing I would say. Next question, how did you learn how to cook? How did you learn to cook? Sorry. That's a good question. I love it. From my mom. My mom used to have a restaurant when I was little. I don't know much about it because obviously I was very small. As I am the last born in the family, I was very small. But when I was like, let's say 7 to 9 years, my mom used to take like orders for religious conferences or like just pastors meetings or something like that. And yeah, we used to go with her to serve the food and wash plates, some of that. Next question is, are you single? No, yes. Yeah. So the next two questions are two inappropriate questions, and I will not be answering those questions. The next question is also inappropriate. I'm gonna skip it. Next one is, will you marry me? I mean, I can't really say yes if I don't know who you are. I say yes or no if I don't know who you are. But yeah, how old are you? That's a good question because, yeah. I'm young, sir. Who are your favorite YouTubers? I'm going to talk about celebrity YouTubers. And my number one is Sissy Demi. My number 2 would be Nella Rose. Nella Rose is funny. Nella Rose is funny and creative, so I love that about her. Yeah, moving on. Another inappropriate question. Does your house always smell like Maggi cubes? No. What does Maggi cubes smell like? No. I don't know, but that's a weird question. No. Okay, the next one, I don't think this is a question. You've been an amazing and awesome lady. From the depth of my heart, I love you. I love you too. all of you, love you too. But yeah, thank you. That means a lot to me. That's really cute. Yeah. Can you prepare me roasted chicken? Can you send money to my account? The same answer is the same answer. So yeah. Next question is, are you gonna do giveaways? Yes, I will actually, but I have a certain have a goal that I've set for myself to do this giveaway. So you guys need to help me get there so that we can enjoy this giveaway together. So just help me by sharing my videos, you know, telling people to watch my videos, you know, all of that. And yeah, a giveaway is definitely coming your way soon, like definitely. The last question I'm answering is, do you just cook for cooking's sake, or is it profit oriented? On YouTube, I cook to just show you guys what I'm doing, like what recipes I'm trying. So yeah, but I do have a business, a food business. So if you're interested in tasting some of my yummy food, please, the link is in the description box. The link to my Instagram account is in the description box below. So just check that out, and then you can see the menu, you can see the price, everything you need to know. You can even be seeing pictures, you know, different stuff. So just check that out, and if you're interested, message me on the number that's on the menu things. Just message me on that to place your order. And yeah, and it's available in London only. I'm making rice and stew and fried fish. Oh my lord, yes, I deserve to relax and be taken care of. So if no one's gonna do it, I'm gonna do it myself, literally. So yeah, I made ice cream today, so I'm also gonna have that as dessert. I'm probably gonna put a picture somewhere on the screen to show you guys what the ice cream looks like. Let me show you guys how I made the ice cream. Also guys, I might be the only one that's been feeling very left out of the Don't Leave Me challenge, because for days now I've been trying to come up with something that I can, you know, put up and say that if I have tried so many things, which one I even did today. I was like, if I put a vase on a line, does that make it Vaseline? I don't understand, like, I don't know why my hair cannot bang. Like, someone help me. I don't know if I'm the one that's feeling left out of this challenge. Like, I'm not even trying to post a video, but I just want to come up with something, and I seem to be struggling. Yeah,
so as you know, the food we're eating today is a very nice one. You did what's your master your phone alone you show you what them are doing. Oh my tasks. You understand?
Thank you for showing your face.
Order.
Yes, guys, order. Yummy.
Order.
Yeah, why do you want to be stressing yourself cooking food when I can do the stress for you? Like, why? What the hell? The light is quite, you know, but this is my dinner, and I'm gonna be having it with my ice cream. I already showed you guys how to make, and I hope you do try it because it's really nice. And my fish is, oh my god, that is lovely. And this looks yummy. I mean, some of my fish are still frying, but whoa, look at that fish. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat this. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Also, share with your family and friends if you enjoyed the video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.